Hi, this is Nicole Woodard with eXp Realty. Stay tuned for some very important tips for preparing your home for spring and summer 2021. Spring is here, y'all, and summer is right around the corner. So I want to give you 5 great tips for preparing your home for maximum enjoyment this spring and summer. Number 1, it's time to clear the debris. All of the leaves maybe that were left over from the fall foliage and any sort of plants that maybe didn't survive snowmageddon, it's time to clear those out and really freshen up those flower beds. Number 2, clean your gutters and clear out your downspouts. You want to make sure that your home is draining properly and that no moisture or water is pooling around your slab foundation. Number 3, it's time to check your windows. Walk around your house. Check to see if any of them have fogged seals. If so, I'm happy to refer you to a great company that can help you out with that. And it's also a great time to have your windows cleaned inside and out, as well as to replace or restore any damaged screens. Number 4, get your backyard ready for grilling season. So clear off your grill, make sure you've got plenty of propane in that tank, wash off your outdoor furniture and your deck. That way, when the opportunity presents itself, you are ready to go and grill in your backyard. And number 5, ensure that your HVAC system is functioning properly. You definitely want to get ahead. You do not want to be needing air conditioning once it's super, super hot. So also, proactively taking care of your systems this way will absolutely extend the life of them. So as always, I'm happy to be your residential real estate resource. I hope you've enjoyed these spring and summer tips. And if you ever need anything at all, just contact me. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.